we just wrecked. Let me see your hands!
Show us your hands!
Let me see your hands!
Hands, no!
Hey, watch yourself, one! He's in front! Drive right! Let us see your hands! Let us see your hands!
Just about 23.
I can see it! Hey, right front, right front! Right front, right front! I think he's laying down. I just heard him whiz by my head.
Right front, right front!
I don't have visual. Do we have a visual one? No.
Behind you, behind you.
He was right front, right front.
You got visual?
Yeah, right front, right front.
Exchanging gunfire.
Let us see your hands.
Come on, you wish, sir? No. That door is.
Okay.
No, don't.
No.
I'll shoot you in the back.
Okay.
Was he moving you last time?
Yeah, I saw his head. I've heard two go.
Is he in the truck or something?
No, he out front, in front.
Can he crawl through that sagebrush and get around us? Probably.
Yeah, probably. He's got red hair. No visual. Let us see your hands. There's no reason for this. Let's see your hands.